Hello everyone, it's Audrey from Audrey Lynn Studios on the west side of Canada, close to Vancouver. Following will be a kiln opening that I did on Saturday morning, really early before a show. So this is coming to a week later, but doesn't matter, right? So enjoy. Heyo everybody, Audrey from Audrey Lynn Studios on the west side of Canada, near Vancouver. It's early in the morning and it's dark outside and it's dark in here, and this is the only angle that I can find where you can actually see me, so hi. Anyway, kiln opening. The drink was at 78 degrees right now. He's a 1018 scut with a 3-inch brick. This firing was slow cool. Top temperature is 2200, held for 10 minutes, and dropped to 1900, held for 30 minutes. So the reason why I'm up so early is because I have a market today, the only one of the year that I'm in, and yeah, it starts at 9 o'clock, so I have to get the stuff out of the kiln. Anyway, let's get on with it. I actually still have to sand these pieces a little tiny bit, so, all right. Okay, I decided to just leave the camera here because it's dark over there. So be running back and forth here. So I made these fig plates from 370 clay and, oops, sorry, and from my fig tree when the leaves were actually on it. So I've got 3 of them in here, and if you, yeah, and what I did was use 3 times holly green, and then 2 times textured kiwi fruit on the edge, on the, here. Looks beautiful, I love that. Yeah, nice. All right, and then I have this big dish. It's the Tree of Life. And it is 3 times honey flux, and then 2 times green tea around the edge, and then a narrower, whatever, band of seaweed, 2 times seaweed. So there it is. And this is 340 clay, so this is the buff clay, and that's why you can see the Tree of Life so nicely, because the honey flux breaks on there. So that worked out really well, except that there is one little dot here, and that's probably because I was using river birch somewhere. Dope, whatever. Okay. And then I have a pumpkin, and this one's a luminaire. So there we go. And this one is 370, so it's white stoneware. And I dipped the whole thing in my studio white. And then I decided that I wanted color on it. So I put 1 coat of honey flux, 1 coat of light flux, and then 1 coat of river birch. And then on the whole leaf and stem, I put 2 coats of emerald, but then on the leaf, I added 2 more coats of northern wood. So that's all on top of the white. And yeah, it turned out good. All right, and then I have another bowl, the altered rim bowl, and yeah, there's that speck again. Dope. Oh, anyway, this is what happens when you're glazing fast, right? All right, but it's a nice dish. So I threw it and cut the rim all funky, took the Monstera out of there and glued it back on. Okay, not glued it, you know what I mean. Scored and slipped. And then it's 3 times honeydew flux from Mamako, and then 2 times green tea, and then 2 times seaweed. Yeah, turned out nice. I didn't do it on the other side. That's just honeydew. Yeah, it's lovely. I don't know what I'm going to do about that. I could just kind of sand it out of there and, yeah, we'll see. Or just put river birch on it. Sorry, Nat, I know you don't like that. But just put river birch on it and then it's like I intended it to happen. All right, and this little mug is 3 times obsidian and 2 times reactive red. So I got that from Nat, who I think maybe got it from Homestead. I'll have to link that. But I wanted to try it because it makes that beautiful purple, which you can't really see here. And maybe when I get to the show, I can take a picture of it. Yeah. So it's a lovely purple. And I only put 2 because I thought it would run, but actually maybe I could have put 3 and then it would have been even more purplier. All right. And then I have a little mug with a bee on it. And a bee on here. And the whole thing is 2 times curry. That's it. Spectrum curry. And that's perfect. You don't need to do anything else to that. Nice. All right. And then I have, I'm just going to pull out all the pieces that have this. But I can't see them right now. Oh, here. Here, the mug and the, okay. So it's 2 times honey flux and 1 times river birch. And then this is, okay, but. No, then it's, sorry, then it's 2 times obsidian on top of what I just told you in a band. And then on here, there's a thin line 2 times of Albany slip brown, and same with here. And so this turns blue because, you know, my dear Desis over at Mud Magic, she told me that obsidian is actually a very dark blue. So that's why it went blue on the honey flux and river birch. And then it gets dragged down by the Albany slip brown. It is beautiful. I love that combination. I'm not even really much of a blue girl, but I mean, I shouldn't say that because I like all color. It's just what tone it is, what it does. And this is the same on this one. Love it. Love, love. All right. Then I have a sea mug. And this one is inspired, yeah, a little bit by Lisa Finkel. I just tried, but Nat from Mud Magic, because she has like a beachy combo, and this is kind of like that. So this is Dunes down here, Mako's Dunes. And then what I did was put a coat of river birch to make it look a little bit like sand. And then 2 times turquoise ice by Mako, and 1 time Celadon bloom over the whole thing here, down to about here. And I got messy in here so that it blended in. And then this one is, I don't know. I can't remember. Shoot. I thought I would remember. Anyway, I'll just put it on the screen. So the show's going great, but I will be glad when it's all done, of course. We're always glad when it's all done. Okay, then there's this little flower vase. And it's 2 times honey flux, 1 time river birch. In and on the rim, 2 times coral ice, which is the base of amaryllis, and then 1 time amaryllis. This is just coral ice, so yeah, pretty. It's pretty. This one is, I like it. Two times tapenade, two times cactus, two times floating turquoise. And they're all done separately, but they overlap. I like that. Yeah. All right, and then we have the lavender stuff. And this is gorgeous. Love that. So it's, the whole mug is 3 times lavender mist. And then it's birch with cordovan with light flux here and here. So the birch is 2, cordovan is 2, light flux is 2. Okay, so 2 birch, 2 cordovan, 2 light flux, 2 light flux. Isn't that nice? I like that. All right, and so this one's the same. And so is this one. Look at that. Ooh, look at that, drippy sister. Nice. All right. And I found another one of these. Gosh, it's gorgeous. So pretty. And I have a fishy. I was inspired. Look at this. Oh, whatever. Going too fast. And now I gotta scrape my kiln before I do anything else, because I got stuff that's got to go to Crossberry Farms now. But anyway, 2 times floating blue. And yeah, there's more green in it this time. Usually it's kind of an even blue and green, but anyway, it's cute. Inspired by all my subscribers that made cute little fishy from my fishy template. Okay, and I had a customer that wanted cream and sugar handleless speckled clay, but these turned out too small, so I'll just sell them. And they're 3 times honey flux and 2 times iron luster on the rim. So I've made her 4 mugs, but of course I made 6 in case one broke, and made these bigger. And then this one and this one are speckled clay, and they are 3 times honey flux, and then it's 2 times green tea. Okay, I take that back. It's 2 times seaweed. No, I take that back. It's 2 times indigo float first, and then 2 times seaweed on the rim. Pretty. Yeah, I like that. And this is a mug just like it. Yeah, that looks nice, especially on the speckled clay. It looks really nice. I like it. Keep saying that. I like it. I like it. And this is the same, only this one's on 370 clay. So it's, yeah, the 3 times honey flux, indigo float 2 times, seaweed 2 times. That turns out nice, so here's the difference. Cool to see the difference. Yeah. All right, and I think these are my last mugs here. And I have a glaze-along on these. So these are 370 clay, and I slip trailed them with trees. The trees are 2 times opal, and it's kind of messy when I paint them. And then between the trees all the way up to the rim is 2 times honey fluck, 1 times river birch. I almost swore there. I gotta slow down. Okay, and then I did 2 times iron luster and 2 times indigo float. It's nice and wintry. And I slip trailed a little tree on here too. So here's the other one. Yeah, they're nice. I gotta start shammying my rims because they're getting a little, sometimes they're sharp, you know, with stoneware clay. So not this one so much, but this one I think I forgot to really smooth it out. So anyway, so there you have it. And I will try to take pictures when I'm at the show as I put the product out. And yeah, like and subscribe. If this is your first time, this is a very different video kiln opening than my others. You might want to check out my others. So like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to get my other uploads. So both these last 2 kiln openings are going to be late for you because I have no time to edit. And then I have a Christmas tree tutorial and the little house luminaire tutorial. And yeah, I've got some lined up. So okay, I'll see you next time. So, peace out.